Hey guys, this is CryptoCoin Investor. In this video, I'm going to show you a fast way with which you can make payments online using cryptocurrency. So usually when we make payments using cryptocurrency, it takes some time to process, and the more faster ones are not usually supported by majority of the payment processors like BitPay and all that. So to counter that problem, Binance is now offering a feature called Binance Pay. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Binance. I'm just so fond of using the Binance Pay that I've stopped using my crypto wallets at all. Now, I'm not endorsing that you should store a lot of money on the exchanges, but hey, you can store about $1,000 to $2,000 depending on your pocket to spend on online shops. So one of the shops that does support Binance Pay that I use a lot almost every day is Coinsbee, COINSBEE. So this very website lets you purchase cryptocurrencies, purchase goods using cryptocurrencies, and they allow you to by taking out either your regular wallet like Trust Wallet, Coinomi, and all that, or you can use Binance Pay, and that has two major advantages. First, there are no transaction fees. Second, that the payment is instantly confirmed. By instant, I mean 2 or 3 seconds, and that's it. Just like fiat money. So this is the screen of Binance exchange on your phone, right? So this is right now showing the Spot Wallet. What you need to do is you need to transfer money from Spot Wallet to Funding Wallet. For that, just click on transfer here, and you can transfer BTC or whatever you want to Funding Wallet. Okay, once you have done that, I've already transferred some BUSD. So for that, the funding is called Pay here. So in Pay, you can see that I have 166 BUSD ready to be spent. So what I'm now going to do is I am going to check out on Coinsbee website, and I'm going to use Binance Pay option. Let me show you how it looks. I'm now going to click on Pay, and then I'm going to use Pay ID and this little scan button here. Now it shows that it will deduct $15 because I'm buying a very small, like $12-13 gift card. So they are using some fees because hey, a man's gotta eat. That site needs some fees to operate. So I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to enter my PIN now, and boom, the payment is done, and it's that easy. Now I'll get the voucher on my email. It's super easy. So I use Binance Pay on everyday basis because it's super fast, and I do not have problem storing some amount of funds on my Binance app. I'm not saying you should not be the one who should be controlling the funds, but it doesn't hurt having some amount of money on your Binance app to buy stuff online. And if you find a website using Binance Pay, go for it instead of transferring the money to your wallet and then paying from there and then waiting another 15-20 minutes to get the payment processed. So that was my little tutorial on how to use Binance Pay. You can also use the Binance Pay on the desktop version, but I use the mobile version of the Binance app because I can directly scan the QR code, so that way it is easier for me. So that was the video about Binance Pay. Hope you liked it, and stay subscribed for more price technical analysis videos and videos like these. I do a lot of technical analysis of various cryptocurrencies, so you make sure you subscribe to my channel for that, and hit that like button to show your appreciation. That's all I need from you guys, nothing else. Bye bye.